Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet using Google Pay. First, download the Trust Wallet app from your device's App Store. Next, ensure your Google Pay account is fully configured with a valid payment method, like a debit card or bank account. This setup is crucial for a smooth transaction. We'll then walk through the steps to initiate a Bitcoin purchase directly within the Trust Wallet interface, making the process straightforward and secure for you. To begin, open Trust Wallet and either create a new wallet or import an existing one. Remember, securing your recovery phrase is paramount. Write it down and store it in a very safe place, never sharing it with anyone. This phrase is your only way to recover your funds if you lose access to your device. Also, double-check that your Google Pay account is ready with a linked payment method and enough funds for your intended Bitcoin purchase. Now, let's buy some Bitcoin. Inside Trust Wallet, tap on the Buy button, usually found on the main screen. From the list of cryptocurrencies, select Bitcoin. You'll then be prompted to choose a payment provider. Select the option that supports Google Pay. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to acquire, review all the transaction details carefully, and then proceed to confirm your purchase using Google Pay. After confirming your purchase, you'll see a transaction summary detailing the amount, fees, and the Bitcoin you're about to receive. Authenticate the payment through Google Pay, which might involve a PIN or fingerprint. Your newly acquired Bitcoin should appear in your Trust Wallet within a few minutes, though sometimes it can take a little longer. For maximum security, always enable two-factor authentication on your Trust Wallet and keep your recovery phrase extremely private.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.